Today, a great little hack for cooking the most perfect bacon. Let's do it. So for cooking the most perfectly crispy bacon, you want to pop a frying pan onto the hob, start with the heat down low, and in this video, we're going to be using lovely streaky bacon. You can use any bacon you wish, but in my opinion, streaky is by far the best. As they say, the flavour is in the fat. Lay your streaky bacon into the pan, and then the secret is you're going to want some water. Add a little splash of water, swirl that around in the pan, and you want to start by gently cooking the bacon to render out some of that lovely fat while the bacon gently cooks. So leave it in there to tick over for about 5 minutes or so until the water is pretty much reduced. This method works really well because the water helps to render out all of that beautiful fat and will cook the bacon nice, gently and evenly, but without any colour. So once the water's reduced, you can then blast the bacon and get a beautiful caramelisation on there. At this point, turn the bacon and just add another splash of water, and you just want to turn up the heat a touch, and then you repeat the process, but this time once the water's reduced, leave the bacon in there to caramelise. Turn the bacon a few times. You'll see that the bacon will start to get a beautiful even caramelisation, and there'll be some beautiful flavoursome fat in the pan. Keep turning the bacon for even colour, and just at the point that it's almost as you want it, just go in with one last little splash of water and give the pan a good shake and swirl that water around. This last little splash of water is really important to almost deglaze the pan, and then reduce that water away, and you need to give the bacon one last little blast for about 2 or 3 minutes just to get that last bit of beautiful caramelization, leaving us with the most amazing, perfectly cooked crispy bacon. See you next time.